In honor of spooky season, I will be teaching you how to tell a crow and a raven apart by voice. You're probably familiar with the sound a crow makes because of either movies or your neighborhood gang, but it's important to note that they make a loud, clear cawing sound. In comparison, ravens make more of a croaking sound, which honestly, the best way I can describe it is a crow with a lot of phlegm in its throat. You know, they got a little mucus built up in there. Sorry for that image. Voice is the easiest and most accurate way to tell crows and ravens apart, and now you know. So go outside and touch some grass, or befriend your neighborhood crows. Make them give you some shiny things or something. I don't know. A crow. I manifested that.